This application is called Javis. It is used to check and capture images of each medicine that should go in a sachet, according to the prescription order. Please double-click the Javis application to open it each morning when you turn on the machine. Javis is essentially a confidence checker. As the machine runs, it captures images of the medicines to be put into each sachet. Sometimes, the camera's IP address may change due to a power cut or because it is not prioritized in the IP address list. When this happens, click the Find Camera button at the top. Once the Find Camera window opens, click the Search button. The camera's updated IP address will appear. Note the new IP address, then close the window. Click the Device button. Select the camera IP address, update it to the new IP address, and click the Apply button.